Hello guys, today we will see how to hide subscribers on YouTube. This video will have two sections. In first one, we will see step-by-step process to hide subscribers, and in second one, we will discuss advantages of it. So let's start first. Firstly, we will open a new tab in a browser and we will type youtube.com to open a page. For me, I am logged in already. If you are not logged in, then you have to first log in. Then you will have to click on right side icon and then you have to click on YouTube Studio. Then we will come to left panel and we'll click on settings tab. Then we will click on channel tab. Then on advanced settings and we will have to scroll down a little bit, and here we have to disable this button. We have to click on this. We have to uncheck to hide the subscriber, because if it's checked then it will display the number of people described to my channel. So we have disabled, and now we will save, and now we can close this tab. And you can see here my channel automation enabled. I am able to see my subscribers, which is 68. Now if I will refresh, we should not be able to see this count. Yes, we are not able to see. This video is useful for small and big YouTubers. I hope you have observed that for some channels you are not able to see their subscribers. So be sure either it's a new channel or an old and famous one. Well, it's observed that if a channel has fewer subscribers, then people believe their channel content lesser useful compared to high number of subscribers. So, new YouTubers should hide their subscriber count. Similarly, big channels should also hide, because other small channels can use their keywords to make famous their videos. Thanks for watching this video. If it's helpful, please hit like and subscribe button. Thanks.